Number 4 is the official Creality 3D printer. Regarding 3D printing, the official Creality Ender-5 S1 3D printer is an absolute game changer. Get ready to dive into a world of limitless creativity and innovation. With its mind-blowing printing speed of 250 millimeters per second, this printer saves you a whopping 75% of printing time, giving you more time to bring your wildest ideas to life. What sets the Ender-5 S1 apart is its exceptional motion system, equipped with standalone motors at each X/Y/C axis, allowing for mind-blowing 2000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. The steel transmission shaft sinks the Y-axis belts flawlessly, ensuring smooth and precise movements. No more worries about clogs and extrusion issues. The Ender-5 S1 boasts the remarkable Sprite dual-geared direct extruder, delivering a mighty 80N extrusion force. Its titanium heartbreak stops heat creep, while the corrugated heatsink guarantees rapid cooling. Stability is the name of the game here. With its solid all-metal cube frame, reinforced linear shafts, extra gussets, cantilevers, and silicone bed mounts, the Ender-5 S1 ensures unmatched stability and quality. You can rely on this printer for a 100% success rate during your 1,000-hour printing marathons. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.